मातरम् वन्दे मातरम् सुजलां सुफलां मलयज शीतलां सस्यश्यामलां मातरम् वन्दे मातरम् शुभ्रज्योत्स्ना पुलकितयामिनी पुल्लकुसुमितद्रुमदलशोभिनी सुहासिनी सुमधुरभाषिणी सुखदां वरदां मातरम् वन्दे मातरम् वन्दे मातरम्.
Good morning, children. Who is
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Who is Jaideep Reddy?
Good morning, ma'am. Morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Who logged in with Jaideep Reddy name? See, please use your own.
Tanvi Reddy, ma'am. Tanvi Reddy.
Okay, but as far as possible, please log in with your own names. Fine. You want to do exercise for 2 minutes? Shall we?
Ma'am, please, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
1 second.
Ma'am.
All of you stand up.
Ma'am.
Go little bit away from your table. Make some moving space for you to exercise. Ready, all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
You don't have anything around you, right? I mean, no tables, no chairs.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am. 1 minute, ma'am. I am joining my laptop, ma'am, because my phone.
Next, back turns in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6,
Saranya, not like that.
7,
Put one hand
8,
on your waist, opposite hand
9,
on the side.
10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15,
Ihan, please do.
16, 17, 18,
Ihan,
19, 20, 21, 22,
Harshini, why are you not
23, 24, 25,
Simple
26,
exercises.
27, 28, 29, 30. Up next, arm circles in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go.
Harini, why did you wear
1,
such a nice dress?
2, 3,
Why did you wear
4,
such a nice dress?
5,
Anything special?
6,
Ma'am, this is my
7,
sister's dress, ma'am.
8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16,
Slowly.
17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25,
Neha,
26,
please do, ma.
27, 28, 29, 30.
Rishita, why are you not doing?
Up next, high step march in 5,
Rishita, please do. It will be very good. We'll feel very good after the exercise. We'll feel fresh.
4, 3, 2, 1, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26,
Leslie, do.
27, 28, 29, 30. Rest time.
Enough. Drink water and take rest for 2 minutes. Vedesh.
Yes, ma'am.
Can I talk to you now?
Yes, ma'am.
Why were you absent in the last classes? What happened to you? Any fever? Were you not feeling well? What is the reason? Okay.
Ma'am, what is the English? What is the social project, ma'am?
I already forwarded that 4 seasons, rotation, revolution.
Ma'am, I did it, ma'am. And I submit, ma'am. And I send it.
Okay, so we have gone through the
Ma'am, I
video.
did.
Shall I ask a few questions based on holy humans and all that? Can I ask?
Yes.
Or do you
Yes,
want me to
ma'am.
do you want me to play the video once again? Not required.
Ma'am, can you ask?
Yeah, do
Yes,
you want to?
ma'am.
Okay, I'll play the video. Then in the middle, I will ask questions.
We need to do
What?
you now playing video.
I'll simply play the video. In the middle, I'll ask questions.
We don't do and we tell the answer.
Yes.
Okay, ma'am.
From hunter-gatherers to farmers. Life of early humans. Many
Yes. All of you switch on your videos for me to ask.
Ma'am, can I?
Okay. Akshaj, how did the early humans spend their whole day? What were they doing for whole day?
Farming, ma'am.
Farming, they haven't started. Initially, first thing, the video starting part, they were doing something whole day. They didn't have any other work. Karthik, can you say?
Animals, ma'am. Ma'am, can I say?
Yeah, always hunting for the food. That is killing animals. Very good.
scientists believe that early humans spent all day searching for food
All day searching for food, either by hunting or by plucking the fruits from the trees.
and protecting themselves
Yeah, one more thing, one more major thing they what have to do to Jasmita. They have to protect from whom? Jasmita, they have to protect themselves from whom? Who will kill them?
Yes, ma'am.
You're not attentive. Varshika, early humans have to protect from whom?
Rain, heat,
No.
cold.
First they have to protect from. Who will kill them?
Ma'am, can I say, ma'am? Animals.
Very good, Varshika. Wild animals. Yes. Saranya, wait, let
Humans.
others also think.
from wild animals. They hunted animals and gathered wild plants and fruits for food. They used sharp-edged stones to hunt animals. These early
Yes. Chansika, they didn't have knives and all that to kill animals for the prey. So what kind of objects they used to kill animals? Anvi, you?
Sticks and sharp objects.
Sharp
ma'am.
objects made of what? They didn't have any metals. They didn't never used any
Rocks, ma'am.
rocks. Rocks only, they made it like a sharp pointed rocks they used to use.
Humans were called hunter-gatherers.
Can you see the video?
Yes, ma'am.
They wrapped tree leaves and animal skins to cover their
Yes. Next. Pranavi, how did they cover themselves? With what? They didn't have clothes.
With animal skin.
And
Leaves.
very good.
bodies. They made shelters out of
Yes. Shriyansh, how did they make small houses and shelters? With what? Small huts. What materials they used? Shriyansh,
Yes, ma'am.
what materials they used to make small huts and shelters? Tanvi Reddy, can you try?
Ma'am, with stones, ma'am.
With?
Stones, ma'am.
No. With what they made huts, not with the stones.
Ma'am.
Huh?
Then straw.
Vishnu Satvika, say.
Ma'am, I know answer.
Okay, Mokshit, you say.
They use branches and leaves for
Huh?
small huts.
What?
They used small branches like leaves.
Branches, leaves,
Branches,
grass,
leaves,
dry grass, anything they
dry-
find.
rocks.
Yeah, one more thing. Santosh Ram, why did they need to make shelters? To protect from?
They need to protect from this rain,
Animals,
animals.
extreme coldness, all weather conditions, they need to
And
protect.
they can protect the animals from fire.
Yeah, fire we didn't come across yet. We haven't started fire.
Branches, grass, or even animal skins. Later, they started living in caves. They made simple stone tools for cutting and digging. Discovery of fire.
Yes. Jesli, why did they use stones? For what purposes they used sharp objects?
Fire, ma'am.
No. They used stones for what purpose? For
To kill animals.
to cut the meat, as well as to dig the cutting and digging.
Fire using rubbing test to stones.
No, we haven't come across still with fire. Fire has not come across. We still need to go through this video.
Early humans must have discovered fire by accident. It is
Yes. Siddhartha. Rupeksha,
Yes, ma'am.
how did they make fire? Was it by accident or was it by planned?
They take two stones and make together, ma'am.
Yeah, they rubbed together, isn't it? So it was by accident,
rubbed
right?
together.
The accident
Yes, ma'am.
not fire.
believed that they saw sparks coming out when they were rubbing two stones together. This was a great discovery, as now they could make fire themselves.
Yeah. Harshini. So what is the greatest discovery of mankind? Knowing how to make?
Fire, ma'am.
Fire was
Yes. Rajit, Jason, fire. They used fire to protect themselves from.
Animals.
Yeah, because animals were scared of fire.
Very useful. As a
Yeah, one more Aishwarya, what is another purpose of using the fire? How did they make use of fire other than protecting from wild animals? One more use is.
They use the fire to make light in the dark.
Yeah, one more thing.
And they used to burn the meat and eat it.
Okay. Trivikram, one more use.
Ma'am, this is Devans, can I tell?
Yeah.
Call. Hey, you.
My name is Sekram. I can tell.
Yeah, say.
Protect from wild animals
That
and
already-
cold.
Cold. See, they were feeling very cold, so they used fire to make themselves warm. Then comes making roasting the meat on the fire, and another thing is they used as a. What is the other thing you said, Aishwarya? Other than roasting the meat?
So we can see in dark.
Yeah.
helps.
protected them from wild animals and the cold. They also realized that they could roast meat with the help of fire. Perhaps this is how early humans learned how to cook food. The start of farming. Early humans tried to improve their life. This took thousands of years. They grew in number. They could not find enough food by just hunting.
Yeah, what is the main purpose of going for farming? Why do they have to go for farming? Wait, Trivikram, can you say? Say they were already hunting. Why do they need to go for farming? Sit straight. Okay. Vijnana, can you explain why they had to go for farming?
Because they need food.
Yeah, they need food, I know. They had food by hunting. Why do they need extra food? Karthik, can you explain? Yeah. Because?
Because to take care animals and hunting with wild animals.
Vijnana, you want to say something, right?
Because they do not want to kill the animals and eat.
No, it's not like that.
Mom, I know answer.
Karthik, do you know?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Couldn't find enough food. Ma'am,
Yeah, others, please don't explain. Let Karthik think and explain.
To find enough food, ma'am.
There was not enough food because people grew in number. The population increased. They could no longer hunt animals. So they need other type of food. That is how they started farming. Ishita, are you understanding? Any doubts? Are you following the lesson? Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
And gathering. They needed new ways to survive. Slowly, they started farming and rearing animals.
Yes. What else other than first hunting, then farming, then they started something else, new thing. What is that, Haritvika?
They feed animals.
Haritvika,
Yes, ma'am.
what else they started? First hunting, then farming, then Shrivarnika say. Shrivarnika, I don't know. Okay. Harshit Sai, can you try?
Yes, ma'am.
You didn't hear my question at all. Harini, can you say? Navaneet, Yuva Santosh, anybody can try?
They're feeding animals.
Yeah, they started taking care of some domestic animals. Okay, Yuva Santosh, what are the animals they took care of? Yuva Santosh, Navaneet, Nihan?
Dog.
No, only your Santosh, Navaneet or Nihan.
Ma'am, cow, dog. Goat.
Who is saying? Who is saying the answer?
saying, ma'am.
Siddhartha, when I asked you, you should say.
Yes, ma'am.
Not other time.
Ma'am. But you
Okay,
did
Kaushik,
not
you say the
hear
answer.
it. Ma'am, I'll tell ma'am. Please.
Kaushik, what are the animals they reared? Kaushik,
Yes, ma'am.
what animals they took care of? You saw some animals in the field already.
What animals?
Huh? Harini say,
Animals, ma'am.
what animals? Tell me the list. Some domestic animals they took care of, right? What are the domestic animals they took care of?
Ma'am, can I tell?
Your Santosh say.
Dog,
Ah,
cat, cow, horse,
not horse.
buffalo,
Buffaloes. Sheep and
Sheep.
goats. Yes.
buffalo, sheep, goats,
Cows, hens.
At first, early humans collected the seeds
Yeah, how did they start farming? What did they do? Ruchita, how did they start farming? They took the
roots from fruits,
roots or seeds?
seeds,
Ah.
of wild plants to eat. Later on, they noticed that these seeds could be sown in the ground.
Yeah, so they sowed the seeds in the ground and they came to know that plants come from that seeds.
To grow more plants. They planted seeds and watched them grow. This is how they discovered farming. They used stones to dig the soil. Later, they improved their tools with which farming became better. Human settlement. Now, early humans knew that they could grow their food. They no longer needed to wander in search of food. They also
Yeah, one more thing. Who didn't get chance? Harshit Sai. They started living near water, rivers, lakes. Why? Harshit Sai.
Yes, ma'am.
Why did they start living near the lakes?
They can get water
For
and seeds and trees.
yeah, why do they need water? How do they use the water? For so many uses of water, right? For
Farming and drinking, ma'am, and cleaning.
cleaning, cooking, taking bath, so many uses, right?
Yes, ma'am.
required water for drinking, so they started living near riverbanks.
Yeah, one more thing. When they started living near the river banks, Kaushik, who came there? Near the water. Kaushik, lot of
Yes, ma'am.
Shivanika say.
Cows and buffaloes, ma'am.
Devant, I can't hear you. Lot of disturbance.
Ma'am, Devant, can I tell?
Say.
For killing the fishes, ma'am.
Yeah, fishes, okay. See, other animals started coming to drink water. So
Ma'am, and for animals, you can. Will be for the animals easy to get water.
yes, yes. So when animals came to drink water, these hunters, they killed them, okay, for food. So they don't need to hunt anymore.
Also knew that all animals came to riverbanks for drinking water, where they could be hunted easily. Fish in the river was another source of food for them.
Yeah. What is another source of food for them, Shriyansh?
Fishes.
Yeah.
Ma'am, fishes, ma'am.
Early humans began to live and work together in groups.
Yeah, when they started living together in the groups, they formed a community, isn't it? What is a community?
Talking with each other.
What, Mokshit? What is community or society? We all live in a society, isn't it? How we are living? Are we living all alone? Only our family? We are living with so many.
Gathering.
Not gathering. We are living in a society means we are living with other people. See, if we stay in apartments or in colonies, we stay with people. Can we live without human beings? Can we live without our relatives, friends, neighbors? Is it possible? No. So we are living in a society. So human beings need others, other human. So similarly, they also grew in societies. They formed so many communities, so many societies, and slowly, one by one, the villages started growing.
They built huts near the rivers and lakes. This gradually led to the development of small villages. Rearing animals. Early humans also learned how to domesticate animals. They started rearing useful animals like hens, goats, cows.
Yeah. What did they get from rearing other animals? Ranavi,
Yes, ma'am.
what did they get from other animals? Main thing which every day we drink.
If they get milk, milk water, ma'am. They get milk.
Yes.
Milk, eggs. Can I tell, ma'am? And
Yeah.
Dogs,
Eggs, milk, everything.
Dogs guarded their
Yes. Ayashri, what did dogs do? Dogs protected or guarded their farms or fields.
land, and the goats and cows gave them milk. They used camels and donkeys either for
Yes. Vishnu Satvika, how did they use donkeys for?
Riding.
Donkeys, ma. You can't ride on a donkey. To carry
Heavy luggage.
heavy loads. And
And
Rishita, Vedesh,
Ma'am,
Vedesh, what did they use camel for?
Ma'am, when will you ask attendance?
Ma'am.
Time is being over
Why did they use camel for?
They use camel to ride, ma'am.
To move from one place to another.
To another.
Okay.
riding or carrying things from one place to another. Now, they always had meat to eat, milk to drink, and animal skin and fur to make their clothes. The life of early humans became much better. Invention of the wheel.
Yeah, then what is the second greatest invention after the fire?
Wheel.
Very good.
Wheel.
So with wheel, what did they do?
They make the clothes. They make the wooden. They make the sticks to carry. They make so many things.
They made carts. Okay, pulling carts they made.
When will you ask attendance? There is only 10 minutes left. And can send us in the WhatsApp. Pulling cards, ma'am.
Okay, give attendance. Aishwarya.
Ma'am.
1 second, give attendance. Anish Reddy.
Ma'am, I should use
Anvi.
Ma'am, can you put the video in the WhatsApp?
What? This video already posted. I already posted. You can check. Chansika.
Present, ma'am.
Aganram absent, right? Harini.
Present, ma'am.
Ashwini.
Present, ma'am.
Harshit,
Present, ma'am.
Ayushi,
Present, ma'am.
Hemanya. I didn't see Hemanya today. Jasmita,
Present, ma'am.
Yesli,
Present, ma'am.
Karthik,
Present, ma'am.
Kushal. Kushal also I didn't see him. Kaushik,
Present, ma'am.
Manaswini. Absent, right, Manaswini? Mokshit,
Present, ma'am.
Nihan, Jason,
Present,
Pranavi,
Present, ma'am.
Vikram, Rupeksha, Rushita, Ritvika,
Present, ma'am.
Akshaj, Santosh Ram, Seranya, Siddhartha, Srivarnika,
Present, ma'am.
Present, ma'am. Siddhartha present. Siddhartha present. Siddhartha present.
Vignesh
Siddhartha
present.
present, ma'am. Siddhartha present, ma'am.
Yes, wait. Vignesh,
Siddhartha present only, ma'am.
Vignesh
Ma'am,
present.
Ma'am, Vashika present, ma'am.
I didn't call because I know that you are present. Vignesh, is he present? Yuva Santosh, Navaneet, Tanvi Reddy, all present. I remember your names.
I am present, ma'am. This is you, Santosh.
I remember your names. I gave attendance. Whom I got doubt, I called. Okay, I remember your faces. I remember that you are present now.
Ma'am, Siddhartha
Early
present,
humans
ma'am.
had to walk on foot. Also, it was difficult to carry heavy load. One day, one of them might have noticed a log of wood rolling down the hill. They realized that round objects could be easily moved by rolling them. They took a round log of wood and put it under a sledge. The sledge began to move easily. Perhaps this was the idea of wheel. The invention of the wheel changed the life of early humans. They started using it in carts for transportation and as potter's wheel to make pottery.
Yeah, what was another purpose of wheel? How did they use it?
Ma'am, how did it?
For making and clothes for making.
For making
Ma'am,
pots.
how did it like move in the ground, ma'am? Did it move in the ground, ma'am? How did it move in the ground, ma'am?
Make pots, ma'am.
Yeah, for making pots. And Navaneet,
For making pots,
How did
Navaneet,
it move?
who is asking some doubt? All of you maintain silence. Somebody is asking some doubt. What is it?
Ma'am, okay.
What is your doubt?
Ma'am, how does that circle, how can it move itself in the ground?
Yeah, if it is a round object, if you leave it on the ground, it automatically moves, isn't it?
Ma'am, like it is like, ma'am, like how would
Imagine like a ball or a wheel. Like
how would it? Ma'am, like I totally don't understand, ma'am.
Okay. Kayeshri,
I
what is the
totally
other
don't
purpose of
understand
using pots? How did they use pots for?
Water.
Just water? See, they didn't have steel vessels and utensils like how we have.
Ma'am, cooking.
Cooking.
Later on, the spinning wheel came into use.
Cooking.
Discovery of metals. Early humans must have discovered that certain kinds of rocks can be melted to produce
Yeah, how did metals came into picture? They melted some kind of rocks and they got metals like iron, gold, everything.
metals. After a lot of effort, they were able to make strong tools and weapons from these metals.
So now they started making strong, sharp objects and weapons with these metals. For example, iron, copper.
These were very helpful in tilling the land for farming and
And they also use these equipments for what? the equipments which they made with metal, what did they use it for?
Make sharp objects.
Yeah, those sharp objects, they made it used for farming. Farming.
I have a doubt, ma'am.
What, Aishwarya?
But how did they get the paint in that time, ma'am?
Painting? No painting.
Yeah, when they were performing into the cities, towns, how did they get paint?
From where? They never had any paints during that time.
But now how we have?
And now later we invented everything. We founded everything. How did computers came? How did mobile phones came? Everything slowly we started creating new things.
Okay, ma'am.
Defending the village. The first metals used by early humans were gold and copper. Later,
The earliest metals. First they used gold and copper. Yeah, who was asking something? Yeah.
Harshini, ma'am, I'm Harshini. Ma'am,
Yeah.
how the early humans born?
Born. We evolved from monkeys. You know that, right? Earlier we were monkeys.
they discovered iron, which was harder and stronger than copper.
Yeah, they also later discovered iron. Okay. Ayushi, tell me some things made of iron which you see in your room. Can you tell me some things? See in your room.
Ma'am. There is
Yeah, there is one thing. Wait, Harshini.
door handle.
Door handle, knobs. Harshini, there is a bed behind you, right? That bed is made of iron, isn't it? Iron rods.
And
From iron, they developed axes.
Yeah, with iron, they developed axe, they developed this ploughing, and they also developed this one kind of equipment,
Plows, and spears. They
spears.
could also make stronger and
Yeah, with iron, they made another thing, which were you. What is that they made? Wheels. Earlier, yeah, cart wheels. Earlier they made with wood, right? Now they have started making with iron.
bigger wheels for the carts. Thus, time and need taught early humans to find and invent new things. They were no longer wanderers. They lived in small communities and gradually started living in a civilized society.
Now all of you got an idea, Amma, how the early humans lived?
ma'am.
No doubts.
Yes, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Okay.
No doubt, ma'am.
Next class after 10 minutes we'll meet. Bye.
Okay, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.